Hi there, it's Christine Hendricks. We're about to take a journey with Vizzlie. All right, I'm going to share my computer screen. I'm on my laptop tonight. First thing I'm going to do is show you there's a code for referrals. So my code is D5UMSUW. When you set up and create your account, you'll get a referral code, and mine is here under referrals, which is where I am right now. There is very little difference between my laptop and my phone when it comes to using Vizzlie, but there are slight differences right now in the look because once you create your account, you're going to show up at your dashboard. On my phone, my dashboard is just what I see on the left under activities and planning. But as you can see here on my laptop, there's a little bit more. I'm very used to using this over here, not so much over here because most of the time I'm using my phone. So let's get started. You've created your account, you're at your dashboard. The very first thing you want to do, you have options. You can set up your groups or you can start creating your templates. So let's start with the group. I'm going to click Facebook groups. If I sit here and click on Facebook, nothing's going to happen. So I have to click groups or pages if you want to run a page, events as well. But I've only personally done groups so far. So I'm going to click groups and I will get my groups come up and you track groups in here. So these are already tracked groups. I want to show you, you would have zero, nothing in there because you would have a fresh new group. So it will just say available groups like this. So now I simply want to click track group. I got to scroll up because I can't see it. There we go. So it's asking me, would I like to track the group? Yes, so I'm going to click track. So now that group, the one with the cute little kitty cat, should be, there it is right there, tracked groups. Now, this, let's just say this particular group, I did not want to track it. I can click untrack group and it will remove. Yes, I want to untrack the group. Confirm. And it will remove from my tracked groups. Simple. All right. Now, what do I want to do after I have my group tracked? Again, you can start creating your templates, or you can set up Vizzlie in Facebook. And this is the only step out of everything that you absolutely cannot do from your phone. So you have to go over to Facebook and you have to go over to whatever group you want to add into, that you are going to want to use this program to run and post in your group for you. So I'm going over to my groups. There's a cute kitty cat one. There it is. Cute kitty cat one. Okay, I clicked it. Come on. Oh, oops. Member requests. No pending memberships. Okay, good. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm in my group. It doesn't matter that I clicked that. You're going to see on your left this scroll bar, and you're going to scroll down to settings right here, settings, and click that. Once you click your settings, you're going to go over to the other side of the screen and you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says apps, and you're going to click the edit button with the pencil. I did actually get stuck here and had to do a lot of research to figure out what to do next, and it was not easy to figure that out. Now, maybe you are a little bit smarter than I am, but you simply click on your scroll down button and voila, it says add apps. So we're going to click that. Now this list of apps that I can add to my group comes up. And I'm not seeing the one Vizzlie, so I'm going to search for it. V-I-Z-Z. And look, I'm not even done spelling it. It pops up, and I'm going to click that. Now that I clicked that, I just need to click the add button. And voila, it is now in my group. See, you've added Vizzlie, and it can now be used in the group. So we're done as far as we need to at the moment with this in our group. So now I'm going to go back over to Vizzlie, and I'm going to go to templates, planning templates. Click the template. God bless you. It's okay. So you know what? I click this template. It doesn't do anything. I actually have to go Facebook. It highlights it. And you can do email and texting, but I have not done those personally. So I'm only going to focus on putting the template and posting in your group. I cannot wait to get into the email and texting. That should be interesting. All right. So now I've clicked Facebook templates. I personally have templates already, but if you didn't have any templates, you would just see these at the top, all templates, unsorted templates, and you would have nothing here. Now, this is folders. You can create folders, which you see. I've already created folders for things I'm doing. And I actually created a template previously. Oh, I just want unsorted. Okay, I'm going to click unsorted. Okay, so I've already, there it is, test for video. So I'm making a video and I wanted to test. I made 4 tests to add to this template. So again, what if I have nothing here? What do? I'm just going to click this create a new template button, and I'm going to call this video 2. And then I'm going to put in the description, anything I want, but I think I'll just call it video 2 and click create. Now I'm opening up my template video 2, and I'm going to make a new post. Again, this is exactly what it looks like in my phone when I use that little table there to the left to open these things. Okay, so my first post. Well, I want it to start at the very minute that I want it to post in my group. So before starting time, no. My starting time is going to be 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I want it after starting time. And relative to starting time, I'm going to tell it later to start posting at a certain time. So I want this post to be 1 minute in. Before the event starts, no. Again, I want to change that to after. Now, if I set this group up 10 days in advance, I could say 1 day before the event, but I like to do this way, after. So I'm going to create a title for this post, which only I see. So video 2. And this part, post, is what's actually going to be seen in the group. So post 1 for video. Now, doesn't even matter if I spell it wrong because it's going in my test group. Okay, my spell check's going to tell me it's wrong. There it goes. Now let's fix it because I'm a little bit OCD about that. Oop. Fix it. All right. Now, if I want to just create content and no pictures, I'm going to say content, no picture, no pic. All right, I'm going to create that. So now it's saying, here's my post. It's going to post right away after the event starts. So same day the event starts, 1 minute after the start time. So let's create a new post. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to change the before start time to after start time. So let's go after. Actually, no, let's do something crazy here. Let's click before start time. let's go 1 minute before start time. Sure, before start time. And we're going to actually label before start. And let's add time in the post. Now I want to add a graphic. I'm going to click this button and I can click image, video, Facebook album, or a web link. And they're quite simple and straightforward to do. You'll have no problems with this once you start doing it. So now I get to select an image. Now I'm going to have to scroll down. I can drag and drop an image up here. These are in my image gallery already. I wonder if that worked. Oh, that worked. It's doing something. So I have selected. All right, come on. Catch up, computer. I'm going to take a sip of a drink while I wait. There we go, computer caught up. Now, what if I don't have images in my gallery? Because I thought I had to add all my images to the gallery before I did this. You do not. So I'm creating my template. I'm going to click upload. It is going to access on my laptop my photos and on my phone my photos. Very simple and easy to use. So that's why I use my phone, because I grab pictures from other places and then I have them on my phone and I can use them. So I'm going to do this one right here, just because I know I use the cat pictures in some of the other ones. So I'm going to click, I clicked the image and I'm going to click open, and then it's going to put it down here for me. And it does the same thing on my phone, and it will add it to the selected images. There it goes. And then I'm just going to click the create button at the bottom. So now I have my second post. Now you'll notice where this goes on the list here as I'm creating my template. Since I said I want it to start before the event, it should put it before my, there it goes. And it did, it put it before this post right here. Because look, day of, before start, before starting time. So it's going to go 1 minute before I say this event or party or whatever is going to start. And then my second one is going to go in 1 minute afterwards. Now, here's a great little tip for you. Let's just say, and I'm going to share this with you, this share button right here. If you want these, this is just silliness, but if you want these, and I haven't deleted them, this code, when I click share, comes up. So here's a code. You can actually put this code in and take a look, and you'll get these 2 posts or anything else that I have added to this as we work through. So DQZS9KB. So I'm going to close that. So let us post into our test group. So I'm going to go to activities and groups. Oh, did I save that? Did I need to save that? I hope not. No, I didn't need to save it. It automatically saves. Okay, so now I have some actual events going on, but I do have a test group that I use with stuff. So here's my test group. I'm going to go over to these three little lines. Okay, I'm already tracking this group. I do not want to go to the three little lines. I'm going to click this test group or open group. I think that's what open group would do as well. Look, we're in this. What are we going to do with this? Let's add our templates to this test group. So scheduled posts. I have 0 posts going on in this test group. Okay. So I can actually click new post and do exactly what we just did. Create posts for this group. It comes up slightly different here. You can set it by time. I gotta wait for it to load. Come on, slow computer. Time for another drink. All right, finally. Let's actually create a post. Title it, I'm going to call it right now post. Right now post this. Attachment. Let's just not put an attachment. Or actually, I don't. Web link. Sure. Put a web link in. Web link. I'm going to actually put my business web link in there. Yes. So now it's going to put this post in my group, and I have it scheduled to go in right now. Turn the template. Okay, that's cool. So I have to go up to the top. You're all set. Your post will go out as scheduled. Oh, look, it's doing something. Oh my goodness. I hear a bicycle bell. Well, that's because I wanted that post to go out right away. And look, I go back down, there's a check mark beside this www dot, so it's telling me it's a web link. It's telling me my title right now, and it's already gone into my group. I will get to that in a moment. We will go check. Actually, yeah. So now I want to add a template to this group. Select a template. Use one. All right. Here's all my templates, but we just created video 2. So let's add that. When do I want that to start? Well, it's 6:57, and I'm going to say right now, but if I want it to start tomorrow, I could just change the time and the date to set tomorrow or whatever day I want. So let's just load this template. And it says keep posts already scheduled. I'm going to say yes, and there's a reason for that, which I will get to as well. So load template. If I had said no, it would have got rid of this right now one, but I actually want that there. And again, I will get to that reason. Now, I've got these templates loaded, but you have to make sure you go back up to the top because see right here, posting is now turned off. Why? Because I loaded a template. So I need to click this button. And then it will ask me, do I want to actually turn this on? Well, I'm going to close this because I don't want to turn it on just yet. I want to show you how I can add another template. So let's use another template. And I did create this silly little test for video. And it has 4 posts in it. And I'm going to keep all my other posts and I'm going to load the template. Now, if for some reason I don't want my other template in there, I decide, hey, I loaded the wrong template, I would say no, and it would erase those for me. All right, so now you can see, I've scrolled down, look at, I have 7 posts and 1 with the check mark has already gone out. So let us go back up to the top and, oh, just so you can, what I like to do is check the times. So 60, that one's already gone out. Okay, 6:56, we are past that time. 6:58, we are past that time. 6:59, well, we're 6:59 right now. 6:59 right now. So before I want to change this. I want to go over to the side here, and on my phone it would be the same thing. I want to delay this post because it's the wrong time. It's past that time. So 7 o'clock right now. So it is 6:56. So we're roughly 4 minutes. So let's just go 5 minutes. Delay this by 5 minutes. And we're going to adjust all the times on all the other posts because of this one, because I have them spaced out where I want them. So yes, we're going to delay that message. We're good. Now I could leave all my other posts and have them post whatever times that they were originally set for. So now we've got 7:01, 7:03, 7:04, 7:04. Oh, I don't know if I want 2 going out at 7:04. So let's click this. And then I could hurry it, or I could delay it. I can change it. I can actually 7:04. I can actually edit the post itself or delete it if I want. All right, slow computer, what are you doing? Okay, I want to get back up to the top though. Come on, slow computer. Come on, slow computer. It's unresponsive. Oh no, I broke it. We'll just click wait. It should. Vizzlie has everything to do with my low battery. Oh, uh-oh. Close. All right, we're going to. I'm going to go get the cord. Right, see, I have a low battery. That's what the problem was. And now it's responding because my battery was low. All right, so I'm going to cancel that. 7:03. Oh no. Okay. Even though those times have already gone past, I just want to show you what's going to happen when we switch the posting turned on. So it says there's 4 posts that are already past their scheduled time. I'm just going to post them anyways. So, or I could go back and delay them, but I just want to show you how this is all going to work because we're almost done. All right, so now it says all your posts are scheduled to go out. We want to see that toggle switch over there. And right shortly, I should be hearing some little bicycle bells for this post. Oh, here we go. Oh, what did it do? Oh, look at that. Check, 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 check. These posts have all gone out. These 2 are still waiting because we've got 1 more minute for this one to go out. And then about 3 minutes for this one to go out. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go over and I'm going to go to my test group now. Okay. Bear with me, I don't use my laptop very much. Okay. There's my test group. Click test. My group is popping up here for you to see. And I'm going to scroll down and you're going to see cute cats. My kitty cats posted in the group in that. So there's my post. There's my kitty cats. Welcome to this group, kitty cats. These were in the second template. There's the one that I showed you, and it said before start time. I didn't really adjust the start time, so it posted here. but you can play around with those times and it's not very hard to figure out. Post one for video content, no pictures, look, just writing. And then, oh, everything else that was in the, oh, this was actually, oh, I did not show you that. These are some other posts that were in the first test template that I did. I actually do want to show you this. In my text replacements, I have posts. I want to show you this. So let's do a new post. In a template, there goes another post going out. Let's create a template or a post. Doesn't matter if it goes into a template or if it goes here. This is really cool. So I'm going to call it name. And in this post, I will say, there goes another post interrupting us. Okay. Yes, I know I didn't. Okay. I'm going to say, so this arrow, name, and the arrow again. And I can also put on the next line the same thing with, okay, where are we? Oh, next line, same thing, arrow and date. And 707, so let's make this for 709 and create, because I need a little bit of time here to show you what happens when we do that. Okay, so now I've got to go all the way down to the bottom. Since I've already put it in here and you can't see it, it says found in post, replacement text and name, found in post, name and date. I've already replaced these with the name Melissa and December 11th. Now, if I had nothing in there, like this, I'll show you. I can change that. So if I had nothing in there, it would be asking me before it sent it out. So let's just say my name, Christine. Come on, computer. There we go. Save, and it's going to change that. All right, we have 1 minute before the post goes out, so let's hurry. Go up to the top. And it says it's still turned on, so this post should go out at its scheduled time, which is 7:09. It's 7:09 right now, and look, it's already loading. So isn't that very cool? Let's go over to our test page now and see. There's the bell. Look at the check marks. We're good. We're golden. Okay, so we're in our test group. Check this out. Okay, where's my recent posts? My husband decided to make a coffee. Okay, where's that post? Maybe I have to hit the refresh button. Let's hit the refresh button. I'm assuming that's what it is. And my kitty cat is meowing at my husband. My laptop is super slow. It's decided it doesn't want to load that. There we go. Okay, let's scroll down. There we go. That is the post I just showed you. In this post, I will say Christine. It changed name to Christine, and it changed the word date to November 11th, exactly as I said it would. And this is why I love Vizzlie so much. So thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. I do have a second video on showing you some stuff about the organizing the templates. We'll just keep this one short for now. So I will thank you for watching. I'm going to stop sharing my computer screen so I can end this. You have a great whatever it is wherever you are, and thank you again for watching.